Hi friends, welcome back to JazigreenDecorStyle. This is Liz. Are you in need of a little spring cleaning motivation? Then keep on watching. Okay, today's video I am participating in the Spring Clean With Me series 2020. This is being hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and I will have the playlist as well as her channel linked down below. So I will be cleaning off the top of my desk in my office as well as a little small side table. So let's get started. Okay, to clean this, I'm just using some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. That's for everyday purposes. And some lemon all-purpose Lysol cleaner. So I'm just going to spray down both tables and give it a nice wipe down. My mother always taught me never to spray, well, sometimes I do. Now, she did say don't always spray your surfaces. You can if you want. I like to spray, for the most part, my cloth like this. But sometimes you will see me do the surfaces. But for today, I'm just going to spray my paper towel. Okay, the desk is all clean and all sanitized, wiped down really good. And I just added some, a little bit of spring touches to the desk just to make it look a little springy. So I'm showing you right here the different things that I have. I added some yellow flowers, a bunny candy, a cute little dish there with a butterfly. Okay, and that little leaf plate has my glasses sitting on top of it. I added a little rose onto the stand of the computer. So I'm showing you that right there. And then I have a little vase with some hydrangea flowers and two little birdies on the side of it. And my mouse is sitting on a little book, which is a little writing tablet. I don't like the traditional pad, so I decided to use a little book for something, a little bit different. Then over here, I have my lamp sitting on two books. I have a bunny. And on top of the lamp, I'm using my little tiara, my little crown. How cute is that? There's my girl boss sign, and that little floral flower pot houses my pens and pencils. And this little table is nice and wiped down, nice and refreshed and clean. I added some greenery, a little plant there in the corner there. And I added a candle with my business cards sitting on top. And I added the cheers sign as well. So it's all nice and clean.